Breaking news off the top at 11 o'clock, a day after President Donald Trump issued an executive order banning immigrants from mostly Muslim countries. A federal judge has stepped in.
That's right. A federal judge in New York issued a halt on part of that executive order. And Local 10 News reporter Derek Shore is live at Miami International Airport with the breaking details tonight. Derek.
That's right. All of this breaking within the last hour or so. A federal judge in New York putting in that emergency stay. I'll read you what it applies to. It applies to people from 7 majority Muslim countries affected by Trump's order. Now, this ruling will allow them to enter the U.S. if they have valid visas or they are already in transit. So this will obviously help a number of people who are trying to get into the U.S. as we speak. A big day across the nation, many protests at airports throughout the nation. Pretty quiet here at MIA, a different story elsewhere as travelers, many of them, were left in limbo. After loud protests at some of our nation's airport late Saturday, a federal judge in New York putting at least part of President Trump's so-called travel ban on hold.
Valid visas. They got on board a plane before the executive order was issued, and when they got off the plane here, they were detained.
Lawmakers demanding answers while dozens of travelers were reported detained after arriving in the United States, all in the wake of the president's executive order banning the entry of all refugees and those from some Muslim-majority countries. But late Saturday, that reprieve, a federal judge saying anyone with a valid visa cannot be detained. Among those who were held, an Iraqi national with refugee status. His attorney speaking to ABC News.
Obviously devastating to have your father, your husband, en route, and to think that he is on his way to a safe place to rejoin you in the United States.
Hamid Darwish, an Iraqi national detained at JFK, released after 19 hours. The husband and father of 3 was awarded a special immigrant visa because of his work with the U.S. military.
America is the greatest nation, the greatest people in the world.
At Miami International Airport, no major issues to speak of as passengers filtered through, some from as far away as South Africa, confused by the travel ban.
I don't think there should be a limitation to anyone to travel wherever they want to in the world.
So tonight, again, that emergency stay in effect, a judge ruling just this evening about that, and that will be in effect until this really can be brought up to a higher court. In the meantime, we understand that there will be a protest. Even though it was quiet here at MIA today, there will be a protest tomorrow around noon. And of course, we will be here. A very fluid and developing situation across our nation at airports and ports themselves. We're live at MIA. Derek Shore, Local 10 News.